If you've been seeing ads for RenewaLift and wondering whether it's actually legit or just another skincare gimmick, this video's for you. RenewaLift claims to smooth, lift, and sculpt your skin in just 5 minutes a day. According to the website, this device can help reduce fine lines and wrinkles, even out skin tone, fade birk spots, reduce puffiness, and even enhance skincare absorption. They say you can see noticeable results in just 7 days with a simple daily routine. It's marketed as an easy, at-home solution for sagging skin and aging concerns, especially for people who are tired of trying expensive creams that don't seem to work. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now let's talk about some serious concerns. One of the biggest red flags is the unrealistic claims. Promises like lifting sagging skin, removing a double chin, and smoothing wrinkles in just a few weeks are simply not realistic for most at-home microcurrent-style devices. While some tools may temporarily tighten the skin slightly, dramatic lifting results usually require professional treatments, not a small handheld gadget used for a few minutes a day. Another issue is the customer reviews shown on the website. Many of them appear staged, overly perfect, and there's no clear option for verified buyers to leave honest feedback. That's concerning because genuine products usually have mixed reviews, not just glowing 5-star testimonials. There's also the fact that this appears to be a rebranded device. The exact same gadget has reportedly been sold under multiple different names online, which is a common dropshipping tactic. When a product keeps changing brand names, it often means the focus is on marketing rather than long-term reputation or quality. The before and after photos are another red flag. The results look overly dramatic and aren't backed by clinical studies or transparent proof. Lighting, angles, and even makeup can make a huge difference in photos, so these images shouldn't be taken at face value. Some users also report that any visible improvement fades quickly once they stop using the device. That suggests the results may be only temporary, not true structural changes in the skin. On top of that, the same device has been found extremely cheap on Alibaba, sometimes for just a few dollars. That raises concerns about massive markup and potential low build quality. There are also dropshipping quality concerns. Mass-produced gadgets with minimal quality control can lead to durability problems. In fact, some users have mentioned the device stopped working after only a few uses. Even those who use it consistently report that results often plateau after a few months. Another important point is the daily commitment required. This is not a set-it-and-forget-it solution. Missing days can mean little to no benefit, and that's something many ads don't clearly highlight. The refund policy also appears vague or hard to find, which is always a warning sign when buying online. And finally, there have been complaints about poor customer support, including unanswered emails and difficulty getting help when issues arise. So, is RenewaLift legit or a scam? It may not be an outright scam in the sense that you receive nothing, but there are definitely multiple red flags that suggest you should be cautious. The marketing promises seem exaggerated, the reviews raise questions, and the product appears heavily marked up compared to its wholesale price. If you're considering buying it, take your time, do more research, and manage your expectations. Sometimes simple skincare routines, healthy habits, and consulting a qualified dermatologist can be a safer and more reliable option.